What's up, guys? Come with me to cook me a potato casserole. The groceries just got here, so we finna get started. So I started off with chopping me up some potatoes. Then we got some bang bang seasoning with the black pepper and garlic. So this is me stirring up the onions because I had forgot to throw them in when I put the meat in. Well, before I put the meat in. So yeah, here they are. Here I am with the creamy chicken. I was supposed to add some milk in, but I didn't do that until later on in the video because I had forgotten. But yeah, here I am. My stirring up skills was not it. I was working with the camera in one hand and stirring up with the other, but I eventually got the job done. And this is the finished project for me doing the layer on layer. Now it's time to stick it in the oven. Say hi, Binkity. Say hi, Binkity. Hi, Binky. I'm so nervous about how this casserole finna turn out. But check it out, we finna see. I'm actually scared to take the aluminum foil off, but I'm gonna take it off just because I feel like I did good. But then again, I feel like I did bad, but we finna see. Oh my God. It's so cheesy. Now I gotta add more cheese to it because you know you gotta keep things cheesy around here. So guys, I added one more layer of cheese and I'm gonna throw it back in the oven for maybe like 10 seconds just so the top layer can melt. Back in the oven with one more layer of cheese and we'll see her soon. I just took it out of the oven from melting the first top layer, but I didn't leave it in there quite long because I am hungry and ready to eat, so I'm about to throw down. I don't got time. So yeah. So Bae's gonna try my what?
Dinner.
Okay, tell me how it is.
It's hot.
I know. You better eat it before trouble eats it.
Gotta blow it. No trouble.
This hot breath gonna make it even more hotter.
This is good.
1 out of 10.
This is a 10 out of 10. You have to make this some more.
I know that's right.
Yeah, you did that.
What I've done.
That's good, ain't it?
That's a 10 out of 10.
Fire.
Fire.
You did that.
I'm gonna have to do it again. Oh yeah. This is good.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna have to go back for seconds for sure.
We about to try this food. This, you know, I don't know what this is, but the potato casserole, something. She just shoved this shit in the oven. But you know, we about to try this shit. This shit better be fire. Otherwise, it's going in the trash. Here we go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me get some of this potato. The meat, fire, tastes like meat.
So this is where everybody finally got to rate the meals. Everybody said that it was a 10 out of 10. I think it was a 10 out of 10. Thank you guys for watching and make sure you guys subscribe so you don't miss a beat. Peace.